the SM79 from Airfix in 1/72 scale. And obviously this one's quite beat up, and that's kind of part of my journey with this kit. But I guess I should talk you through why this kit means so much to me. Modelling is something we all have quite an emotive relationship with. For some people, it's a way of practicing mindfulness and dealing with their mental health. And for other people, it's just an escapism from the world. For me, it's something that has always been there. One constant throughout my childhood, teenage years, early adulthood, up to where I am today, which I think is still a relatively young adult, but that could be coping. When I bought this kit originally, it was at an event, apparently at Silverstone, my dad has remembered, and we went to a racing day. My dad wanted to see if I was into racing, and spoiler, I wasn't, but I still found model shops there to enjoy, and we found this kit for about £4, and I remember looking at it and thinking, wow, that's so different. I've never seen anything like that before, and bought it, took it home, started working on it and didn't do a very good job. And in many, many years, I decided to strip it down and repaint it and put it together, and I just loved it. And then it's been the one model kit that's been through every house move with me. It's been through every relationship with me. And ever since then, it's always sat on my shelf as a symbol of, I guess, defiance and hope and love and what you can end up having. This model might be beat up. It might be something that doesn't look impressive. But to me, it's something that I will always be proud of, helping me remember where I've come from and where I've come to. Plus, in addition to that, it's a reminder of my dad. It's a reminder that he is a constant support in my life, no matter what I've been through, and that I have him to thank for me getting into aviation and modelling as a whole. And so as part of that, I wanted him to come here and talk about modelling as a whole too.
I do remember when you were a young kid, you had a bit of a fascination with Italian aircraft for whatever reason. You used to enjoy trying to make them. Obviously, you made mistakes because you were only young, but you did give it your best shot.
What's my excuse now, though?
I can't find an excuse for you now. You'll have to find your own. You also used to obviously enjoy watching the films like Battle of Britain and any films that had aircraft in it. And one of the films we watched a lot was Memphis Belle, which I think was probably one of the first films I bought for you properly, because obviously it was supposed to be a realistic portrayal of crews actually going through the terrors of flying into battle.
Yeah, it's basically your fault I got really into aircraft.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, took you to Fairfield when you were about 4 years old. We sat there and watched the aircraft for a bit. Then we went and played on the fairground, and I thought you'd want to go straight home. But you said, no, let's go back and sit and watch the aircraft, and we spent all afternoon there. And it's been just about every year since at Fairford.
Just with waves of me buying massive collections of models.
Not always. Sometimes your mum didn't give me the money, so you didn't get quite as many.
I always remember like getting this. I know you don't remember buying it, but I remember coming up to the stall and it being there, and it just looks so different to everything else. And even when I was a kid and we used to go to the local model shop, obviously without saying where it is, I remember going there a lot. And because in that shop, if you remember where it was like, it had like RC stuff, and then it had like just the wall of modelling stuff. Yeah. And I'd always just like comb through and try and find the stuff that I didn't really recognize, or anything with like a Swedish insignia or Italian insignia on. So just always like building stuff different. It's part of why modelling is so special to so many people. It's because it allows you to build those memories and just build relationships with people as well, whether it's like friends that you model with, people at your model club, or obviously like generationally, like with me and you. And I think that's like a really special thing with modelling.
Yeah, but I think it also gets you into researching and history.
Yeah.
Because obviously even with the basic model kits on the old Airfix instructions and that, it tells you a bit about the aircraft, you know, when they were first produced,
Yeah.
the speed, the crew, how well they fared in general.
I used to sit and read them a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're really nice.
So that's good as well, because it gets you into the actual research side of it and develops the interest a lot more.
And now we've got the irony of me trying to get you back into modelling more.
Yes.
It's going well.
I will get them started this year, but it's just, for me, it's more about how to not paint them, but it's the best way to get the best result. Because again, I haven't done it since we did them with you when you were a kid.
Yeah, I'm really glad I got to share this with you. So
yeah, that's great.
And that's why my nomination for the model I would send into space is this, the SM79 in 1/72nd scale from Airfix. And it may not be the prettiest, though the plane is, but it's not the prettiest model necessarily. It's not the most modern tooling, but I would send it up there with the message of defiance, hope, and love.